Okay, what I want to talk about right now, folks, a lot of times we have to cut our own cans when we're custom fitting a duct system for a home. This is what we call plaster ground. It comes in 10-foot sections. You'll have a short side, which will be about 1.25 inches. Then you'll have the long side, which is 1.5 inches. Okay? I just want to show you, this is a finished product. This is a piece that we had just cut. It's an 18 by 18. Okay? And the way this actually would go, and I'll get the box cut later, it would go just like this on top of the ductwork. And you'll have this extra long flange out in the ceiling for the sheetrock in order to be able to screw the grill up. And also, I want you to notice the flange here. The flange is about 3/8 of an inch, because when you have your 1/2 inch sheetrock, by the time you get your sheetrock and everything on, this will be a nice clean fit in the ceiling. What I want to do this morning, I want to demonstrate how you actually cut this. This is a linear diffuser can. I'm just going to cut a piece of plaster ground to fit inside this. I'm going to show you how this works, okay? The only tool that you really need is 10 snips and a measuring tape. This particular cut is going to be 24 inches long and 3 5/8 inches wide, okay? I'm going to measure over here 3 5/8. I'm just going to cut a straight cut. What I'm going to do is I'm going to fold it. Nice and square. Then I'm going to measure again. My next cut is going to be 24 inches. So I'm just going to lay my measuring tape on the linear diffuser cut. You want to cut it exactly. Once again, you're just going to take it, fold it up. My next cut is 3 5/8. Fold it. See how it's coming together already? Okay. My next cut is 24 inches. Okay. A little bit difficult. Now I'm going to take this and fold this. This is not the best working platform I've worked on today. Okay. Now what I'm going to do here, I usually come over 4 or 5 inches. I usually come over about 4 or 5 inches to make a lip. Okay. I'm just going to eyeball it. Of course, you probably really should use gloves for this. Here's what you've got. You're going to take this right here, you're going to take this down. You're just going to tap this in. So I've got this big gun, guys. This hole right here. And what you want to do is notch it. Take your side cutters and just kind of crimp it together. Now there is your 24 by 3 5/8 linear diffuser grill. Now the way this works, you'll come over here, you'll set it right in here. And once that diffuser is fastened inside this can, they'll tape and seal everything up, and then this flange here is what you'll actually take and fasten your diffuser with at the end of the job when it's sheetrocked. If you have any questions, just give us a call at Jones Air Conditioning, 239-596-5855 about linear diffusers, where to get them, how they work, how to measure for them. JonesAirConditioning.com. Please share, please subscribe, and please comment. Thank you.